next light, guiding dreams through every night. Little bird upon the breeze, whisper secrets through the trees. Flutter wings so pure and free, singing songs for you and me. Little fish beneath the sea, wiggling tails so happily. Rainbow fins in dancing glide, splashing joy through waves so wide. Little flower on the ground, petals bright that dance around. Stretching tall to catch the sun, swaying gently, day's begun. All together near and far, starbird, fish and flower